How to disable notifications on an Android phone. First of all, what are these notifications? Notifications are these icons in the upper left corner, and if you swipe down from the top, they are displayed one after the other. And multiple applications can display notifications on your phone. When you receive a notification, then the phone makes a sound and icons show up there. So how to disable these for certain programs at least? Swipe down from the top, another notification just came. Come here to the settings wheel. Here we have notifications, tap on that one. It has an orange icon. App notifications, so from here you can set up which app can send you notification. Tap on app notifications. Now those green icons are from this application, and as you can see it is enabled. So this app is allowed to show notifications on this phone. Simply tap on it. It has to go to the left and it has to be gray. Now it's disabled, and those disappear from up there also. If I enable it once again, they are not shown, they are hidden. So let's disable it, and that's it. So I just disabled the notification of one single app, which is this one.